TMNmedia here. This is me making my withdrawal for the day. Now I'm just making my withdrawal for the day, which is over 100k, about 110 or 20. I'll get to find out how much it is worth right now. So I click on withdrawal, and I believe it should be processed later this morning. You can see the withdrawal. I'm withdrawing 0.0311. So we'll get to find out the value, and I'll also be showing you how I got to make this. But first, let me show you the trades, the deposit, before we move over to we're gonna get that from statement. Yeah, this is 0.041, right? So you can see statement. Let me show you the deposit so you get to know. I try to make deposit every day and make withdrawals every day, but I'm trying to see how I'm going to turn into like two days or three days so that it won't be too heavy for me. Now see the amount I deposited, 0.0183, 1018. Look at the time I deposited this to 9. To 10, 15 minutes to 10. So I finished my trading almost just 1 hour. This is just 5 minutes after 11, just so that you understand. That was when I did the last trade. Before then, in between, I've done some recording and all that, so that does not really count. So let me show you the profit table so that you get to see what and how I arrived at this profit. How many times did I trade? I traded 12 times. Look at all the trade. I only lost once. That's the one trade. And that one time that I lost, look at the date. This is from 20th, from when I started. I started almost 10 o'clock was when I started. So you can see I only lost once. And this was as a result of me testing one part of my strategy to be sure it is consumable and I can avoid it for others as well, which I found out it is not. It doesn't work for all time. So that has been sorted out anyway. So I've shown you how I made this withdrawal. So let's go and let me show you the value and also how I sent this. I've actually sent this is the wallet I sent the Bitcoin to, but let me show you the transaction. When I bought it, I bought the Bitcoin 35,000. Yeah, 35,000 because it has gone up. When was that? Look at this funding. You can see funding binary. Look at the time. You can see the time. That's the time there. Now look at this. It was here in our own time is 10:33. So they are 1 hour short. So you can see the value here, confirming that value you saw there. That was when I funded it today. So I've been able to make 100k, over 100k from 35,000 capital. Now let's get to find out the value that I'm going to be getting. I usually get that value from like sell Bitcoin. Let's say like about 100k. Let's see what 100k will be. What will 100k be worth directly from, like, if I want to sell? So I click on, this is me selling, right? So sell. I look out for the person with green. So this person with the green, I click on it. Now look at the value of 100. No, this is 10,000. This is 10,000. 100,000 is 3. Yeah, look at the value of 100,000 for you to know that Bitcoin has gone up. When I bought it, it was okay, let me show you the value of what I imputed, which was 0110. Was it 18 or 80? I think it was 18 or so. 18, yeah. So it was 35,000 when I bought. You can see that's 34,000. This was the value of what I deposited. Now what do I have? Already there I have 4.1. Yeah, I have 4.1, but I'm withdrawing 3.1. So because my capital will still be there, but I will withdraw the profit. So far I'm withdrawing this 311. What's that? 105,000. That's the value. That's the profit. I'm not talking about all together. That's the profit. 105,000 under how many minutes? Let's even say it's 1 hour. It's worth it. Anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. But see, first you need to learn. And this is an avenue for me informing you guys about my training. after the month of June, my training fee is strictly 50,000. The promo offer ends the month of June 2019, and all the promos cease to continue running, because I've run promos from the beginning of the year, since like December last year up till June this year. So if you want to learn, it's strictly 50,000. If you want to learn the millionaire part, because that's where the build up for the 100,000 daily is really for. You want to make real money, you want to be earning real time, then you can have a one-on-one training with me. You can enroll for my one-on-one training. I always like them to be like 4 or 5. We are having one on July 7th and 8th. I think it's 6th and 8th, Saturday and Sunday. So if you want to be a part of it, registration is strictly 50,000. You're going to be learning both the basic and the advanced for that training. Now for others, now if you don't have money to learn this, yes, what you could do is check and follow my YouTube channel, subscribe, and go through the free training on how to earn 20% daily. That will get you a long way. All right, it's very for me today, I'm done. Imagine if you are making, I could remember some years back, my salary was just like 50 or 70,000. So if you are making your salary in a day, it's something, man. So I'm saying, you too, you can make money. Hey, you don't have to die there. You can live there. Allow God to work in you. Hey, my name is Fade, and I'm TMNmedia, and I'm signing out. God bless you.